Hi guys, welcome back again. I hope you all stay in good health and miss you all. So we're gonna continue our session today about the matrices. So the last session we had take is the addition and subtraction between matrices. So today we have multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. So like we said, any math operation has many steps like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So the last session we talked the addition and subtraction. So today we're gonna take the multiplication. Like the addition have one condition can be done, like this matrix: 1, 2, 3 plus. Is the addition here can be done 1 and 2 and 3. So the system of this matrix, of the first matrix, is how many rows we have is 3. How many columns we have is 1. So 3 times 1. And the system here is 2 times 2 because 2 rows and 2 columns. So 2 times 2. So the system of the first matrix is 3 times 1 and the system of the second matrix is 2 times 2. So the addition here can be done? Of course not, we said it already. We said the system of the first matrix must equal the system of the second matrix. So if we're gonna make sum between these matrices, so the both can be 3 times 1 or both can be 2 times 2. Like the addition, like the multiplication. So the multiplication has only one condition. What is the condition of the matrix? So if we have a matrix A, the system of this matrix is 1 times 3. So we're gonna multiply by the matrix B, and the matrix B is 3 times 1. So the point here means multiplication, okay? So the multiplication between matrices can be done when the number of the column of the first matrix equal the first number of rows of the second matrix. So if these numbers are equal, the second number of the first matrix and the first number of the second matrix are equal, so the multiplication can be done. If they are not equal, like A here equal, his system is 2 times 3. Multiply P equal 2 times 2. So the addition, the multiplication here can be done. The second number of first matrix is 3. The first number of the second matrix is 2. So 2 not equal 3, so the multiplication here cannot be done because the second number of first matrix not equal the first number of the second matrix. So again, like we said, if the second number of the first matrix equals the first number of the second matrix, so the multiplication between these matrices can be done. If they are not equal, so the both matrices, if they are not equal, so the multiplication between these matrices cannot be done. So let's see. And sorry, I forgot this one. The answer here is matrix, and the system of the equal matrix or the result matrix is the first number and the last number of second matrix. So 1 times 1. The system of the matrix of the result matrix is 1 times 1. So let's see. So this matrix is how many rows we have 1, how many columns we have 1, 2, 3. So the system here is 1 times 3. And the system here is how many rows we have is 1, 2, 3. How many columns is just 1, so 3 times 1. So the multiplication between these matrices can be done. Yes, because we have this number equals this number. This the second number of the system equals the first number of this system. So 3 equals 3, so the multiplication can be done. And the equal is this number and this number. So the matrix which we gonna be have is 1 times 1. 1 times 1. So how we gonna make the multiplication? Like the easy way is the first number times first number plus the second number multiply the second number, the third number multiply the third number. So the rows, all the number on rows multiply all number in columns. So 5 by 6 equals 30. 5 times 6 equals 30. So first by first plus second by second. 4 times 1 is 4. And third by third is 2 multiply 3 equals 6. So all is 40, and the 40 inside the brackets of matrix, and the system of this matrix is 1 times 1. Okay, so the product of the matrix is 1 times 1. So let's see the next one. If H equal to 1 negative 3, 5. So the system of this matrix is 2 times 2. And G here is 2 times 2. So find HG. HG means H multiply G. So I'm gonna find the matrix of H multiply the matrix of G. So let's see. Here is H and here is G. So before we continue, we have to know if the product between these matrices can be done or not can be done. So let's see. The number here is 2. So the number here is 2. So the matrix, the multiplication between these matrices can be done. And the product between these matrices is the number of the first matrix and the number of the last and the second matrix. So 2 times 2. So let's see. The first number on the first row times the first number on the first column. So 2 by 6 equals 12. Here plus the second number on the row, on the first row, multiply the second number on the first column. So negative 3 by 4 is equal negative 12. So here is 12 minus negative 12. And the first number, so pay attention in this one. The first number of the first row multiply the second number in the second, the first number on the second column. So now, again, I'm gonna solve this one here. So the first by first. So 2 times 6 equal 12, and the negative 3 times 4 equal negative 12. So here 12 minus 12 equals 0. So let's see the first number. So I need to find the number where we're gonna be here. So I found S11. So here I need to find S12. So negative 3, 2 multiplied by 0 equals 0. Negative 3 multiplied by 7, so negative 21. So the number here is 0 minus 21, so it's gonna be negative 21. Let's see the next one. So the second row by first column give you the number is here. So 1 times 6 is 6. 5 times 4 is 20. So 6 plus 20 equals 26. And the first number is the second row multiply the second column give you S22. So 1 times 0, 0. 5 times 7 equals 35. So the number here is 35. Guys, it's so easy, but in the first time you're gonna solve this one, it might be a little hard. But when your hand get a lot of some examples about matrices, multiplication about matrices, So it's gonna be so easy. But the first time you're gonna solve this one, it might be a little bit hard. Okay. So let's see the next one. He needs a product of GH, like we said, the number of the second number on first matrix equal the first number of the second matrix. So the matrices here in multiplication can be done. So he needs to find GH. So he need G first multiply H second. So here is G 6 0 4 and 7, and H here is 2 1 negative 3 5. So the first row multiply the second column, the first column. The row multiply column, row multiply column. So the first row multiply the first column. So 6 times 2, 12, and 0 times 1, 0. So 12. Here, okay. So again, the first row multiplies the second column. So 6 by negative 3, negative 18. 0 times 5 equals 0, so negative 18. So we finished the first row. So we're gonna find the second row multiply the first column. So 4 times 2 equals 8. 7 times 1 is 7. So 8 plus 7 equals 15. And the second row multiplies the second column. So 4 times the negative 3 is negative 12. And 7 times 5 equals 35. So negative 12 plus 35 equals 23. So let's see the next one. Carla and Kyla are making two snack mixes of mixing dairy, fruit and nuts. So we have a table between Carl and Kyla. So they have a number of fruits. Here we have nuts. And Kyla is making a table of sport mix and camp mix. So we have now two matrices. We have the first one is 3, 65, 1, 20, 21, 52. So here the table 2 is 4, 3, 2, and 3. So the first matrix we have 3, 65, 1, 20, 21, and 52. The table we have for Carl, and Kylie here is 4, 2, and 3, 3. So we have two matrices for Carl and Kyla. So we need to find the product of, sorry, where is the math? Yes, the product of this matrix and this matrix. So if that can be done, so let's see. We have here how many rows? 1, 2, 3. So 3 times how many columns? We have just 1 and 2. So 2. 3 times 2. So let's see this matrix, the system of this matrix. We have here 2 rows. So 2 times how many columns? We have 2. So the second number of the first matrix here is 2. And the first number of the second matrix here is 2. So the both numbers are equal. The both numbers are equal. So the multiplication gonna be done. Okay, but the result of this matrix is 3, the first number, and the last number is 2. So 3 times 2. So we have 3 rows times 2. So we have the first row here is 3 and 20, and the first column here is 4 and 2. So 3 times 4 plus 20 plus 2. So the answer is here. We need to find a matrix, and this matrix is the system of this matrix is 3 times 2. So 3 times 4 plus 20 plus by 2. So 3 times 4 is 12, and 20 times 2 equal 40. Sorry, 40. So the answer gonna be 52. So the first one we finished from it. So the first row multiplies the second column. To find this number is just here. So 3 times 3, 20 plus 20 plus by 3. 3 times 3, 9. 20 by 3 is 60. So 69. So we finished from the first row. So we have the second row times the first column. So 65 times 4 plus 21 times 2. So we finished is 302. And to find the number just here is the second row multiply the second column. 65 times 3 and 21 times 3. So 258. So the last row we have multiply the first column. 1 times 4 plus 52 times 2. So 108. And the last row multiply the second column. 1 times 3 plus 52 times 3. So guys, I know it's gonna be hard for the first time you're gonna solve by yourself, but when you take a lot of exercises and a lot of examples, so it's gonna be so easy for you. Thank you guys, and if you have any question, please post it in the Facebook or send it in WhatsApp Messenger, whatever you want, and I hope you all stay in a good health. Thank you.